Today's video, going to be replacing the alternator on this Colorado because it's making a loud noise. It's even worse with the car on, but I'm not going to run it on it. But you can hear it right there. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and knock it out. We're going to first take out the negative battery terminal, 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter bolt on this AC line. This bracket has two 15 millimeters. It's hard to see, but there's one more right where my finger is. There's one bolt right there. Also from the wheel well, there's good access to the power wire and the electrical connector. So if you want to go through here, it's a lot easier. There's an electrical connector right here. I'm going to pull that off. So I use the pick to pull this tab up and then pull the wires out. And now that's off. And right here you can see the power wire. We're going to go ahead and take that off. 13 millimeter. Now with the power wire off, that's the last thing before we get to the mount bolts. 15 millimeter. And with this wheel cover off, we'll get this last 15 millimeter bolt on the bottom of the alternator. And here you go. Here's your old alternator. And here's your old one. Yep, and that's why we're replacing it. Here's our new alternator. Now we're going to go ahead and slide it right back in the old slot. And there you go. The alternator is replaced. Now let's go ahead and start it, make sure everything's good to go. you go. I know I didn't show it on video, but it was making a loud noise. I mean, you could hear it when I spun it by hand. So imagine that at RPM, at the engine RPM. So there you go. And that's how you replace an alternator on these Colorados. Hopefully this video helps y'all. Y'all have a good one.